Chapter 18 Sound Production of Sound. Hello, students. Can you hear the chirping of birds, the honking of vehicles, your friends' laughter? All these are sounds, and sound plays a big role in our life. But have you ever wondered how sound is made and how it reaches our ears? In this chapter, we learn about the production of sound, how it travels, how we hear it, and how to deal with noise pollution. Let's get started. How sound is produced. All sounds are made when something vibrates. Yes, when anything moves back and forth quickly, it creates vibrations, and those vibrations make sound. Let's understand with some examples. Pluck a rubber band. It vibrates and makes sound. Ring a bell. It vibrates and we hear the ring. Beat a drum. The skin on top vibrates and creates sound. So remember, vibration is equal to sound. Medium is necessary for sound to travel. Sound needs something to travel through, like air, water, or solid objects. If there is no medium, like in space, where there is no air, sound cannot travel. For example, you can hear someone talking through a wall because sound moves through solids. Sound travels faster in solids than liquids. Sound travels faster in solids than liquids and slowest in air. So, no medium is equal to no sound. How we hear sound. Our ears are amazing tools. They catch the sound vibrations from the air and send them to the brain. Here is how it works. Vibrations enter the ear canal. They hit the eardrum, which starts to vibrate. These vibrations move to the inner ear. Finally, the brain understands them as sound. And that is how we hear music, speech, and even whispers. Vibration and pitch of sound. When something vibrates faster, the sound it makes has a high pitch. When it vibrates slower, the sound has a low pitch. Pitch is all about how high or low a sound is. Examples: a small bell or a whistle makes a high pitched sound. A drum or a big speaker makes a low pitched sound. A child's voice is higher pitched than an adult's. So, speed of vibration is equal to pitch of sound. Loudness of sound. Loudness depends on how strong the vibration is. Stronger vibrations is equal to louder sound. Weaker vibrations is equal to softer sound. Loudness is measured in decibels, dB. Example: shouting is equal to louder, more vibration. Whispering is equal to softer, less vibration. But remember, very loud sounds can hurt our ears. Harmful effects of noise. Not all sounds are pleasant. Some are just noise, and too much noise is called noise pollution. Where does noise come from? Traffic, loudspeakers, construction, loud music. Effects of noise pollution: headaches and stress, disturbed sleep, hearing problems, poor concentration in studies. We can reduce noise by lowering volume, using earplugs, planting trees, avoiding unnecessary honking. Let's be kind to our ears and our environment. Conclusion. Let's revise what we learned today. Sound is made by vibrations. It needs a medium to travel. We hear sound through our ears and brain. Pitch depends on how fast something vibrates. Loudness depends on the strength of the vibration. Noise pollution is harmful and we must reduce it. So, next time you hear your favorite song or a loud horn, you'll know how that sound was created.